Okay, let's do some research. I'm going to go to the district website first. I'm going to click on the district pull-down menu and click on AUHSD Library Online Databases. For this particular project, which is researching a country, I'm going to select Britannica Online because I've already checked out some of the other ones and Britannica seems to do the best job. At this stage, you're going to go to a screen and you can select whichever grade level you want. We'll select middle at this point, and this is what the screen will look like. They've got some interesting information on the front page, but you don't need to worry about that. We're just going to go ahead and start our search. I'm going to type in Spain. And it's going to take me to a bunch of articles. The ones with the stars next to them indicate that it's a major article. It has lots of information about this particular topic. I'm going to ignore these buttons over here for now, but they do some groovy things. I'm going to click on the article. And now the whole article is here with links, with videos, with images. And I can have this article, note these buttons up here on the top right. All of these buttons do things. If I need to read this at a different reading level, let's say it's a little too complicated, I can select reading level 1. And so now this is less text, but it is still covers the same content. So let's say, okay, I want to read this article. I can read it on my own, or I can have the article read
Introduction.
to me.
Spain is a large country in Western Europe. It once controlled a huge...
That's what this listen icon does. So I'm going to read the article. I'm going to gather my facts, my information. Notice that it does break up the article. These are anchors. If I click on one of these, that takes me directly to a section in the article about people. And you can click on this little list and it will take you throughout the article. I'm going to go back to the top here. But then also what's really great about Britannica is that it has tabs for other information. So if I want images, I'm going to do a PowerPoint, for example, on this. I have some images that I can use, related information in this tab, including primary sources. So if I'm going to do more in-depth article about Spain, I can get some actual primary sources that deal with Spain, as well as some websites that have been already selected by professional people at Britannica. All they do is this research, and they found the best of the best to use in research about this particular topic. So I'm going to go back to the article because I wanted to point out that if this article is something that is everything you need and you want to use it in your research paper, then you're going to want to cite this article. So I'm going to click on the little check mark here and notice that it's already set to MLA. This is my citation that I can cut and paste and put into my source cited. So this is how Britannica works. It's really super easy, and this is just one of the databases that AUHSD provides students. So if you have any other questions, contact me, Regina Powers, District Librarian. I'm happy to help.